In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a promotional lightbox with a coupon message in Wix Studio. We'll be working inside the Wix Studio editor, and the goal is to place a lightbox onto your page and add styled text inside it so your promotion is clear, readable, and visually contained. This is a simple setup, but doing it carefully will make the result look much more polished. To begin, open the Wix Studio Editor template configuration sheet using Chrome. Using Chrome helps ensure the editor loads reliably and that all interface tools display as expected. Once the template is open, give yourself a moment to get oriented with the workspace. You should be able to see the main editing grid in the center, where you'll place and organize your design elements. Next, go to the Add Elements panel by clicking the plus icon. From there, open Layout Tools. Inside that section, locate the preset Lightbox component container. When you find it, click and drag it into the center workspace grid. As you place it, try to position it neatly in the middle so it's easy to work with and visually balanced. The Lightbox container will serve as the promotional pop-up area, so placing it clearly within the workspace helps you manage spacing and alignment more easily. After the Lightbox is in place, the next step is to add your promotional message using the built-in text styling elements. This is important because the built-in text tools help maintain consistency with the rest of the site and give you cleaner formatting options. Insert a text element and place it inside the boundaries of the Lightbox container. Make sure the text stays fully within the container so it appears properly organized and doesn't overflow outside the promotional area. Now enter your promotional message, including your active discount coupon code, text block string. Keep the wording easy to read and visually clear. Since this is a promotional message, it should stand out without feeling cluttered. You can use the available text styling options to improve readability, such as adjusting the font size, weight, alignment, or spacing. The goal is to make the discount message noticeable at a glance while still looking clean and professional inside the lightbox. As you finish, quickly review the layout to confirm the text is centered well within the lightbox and that the overall presentation feels balanced. A well-placed message inside a properly positioned lightbox can make your promotion much more effective and easier for visitors to notice. That's it. You've now created a promotional lightbox in Wix